Students, today we start our study with the study about the cottage and the household industry. This has been a traditional source of non-farming production activity in rural areas. In rural areas, from very olden times, people are doing cottage and household industries, and this has been dominated by the spinning, the weaving, the dyeing, bleaching, because the cloths were made in the villages, and many other items were there, but especially it is the textile was basically dominating the cottage industry in India. But as the urban textile industry get a growth, the machine made cloth get a growth, the textile industry in the villages has been hit hard. It became very difficult for the weavers in villages to survive by working. During the recent past, some new household activities like soap manufacturing, doll making, mushroom cultivation, beekeeping, all these has been emerged as alternative sources of income and the generation of income. So now people are relying on these type of activities. They manufacture soap, they made dolls, mushroom cultivation is also being done on the roofs of houses. They are doing beekeeping as well. In many rural areas, these household activities are being promoted by farm women's group. These are the group of the women of farmer families, focusing on income generation through employment of women in productive activities at the household level. They work at their home and they earn. For that, a scheme is launched in Tamil Nadu that is called Tanva, Tamil Nadu Women in Agriculture. This was a project launched to teach the techniques of agriculture and to develop the skills of women. And now government is trying to provide this information to people, especially the women in villages, so that they can start earning for their family. Now we will move forward to study about the organic farming. But this is there for just the information. This portion has been deleted from the syllabus for this session. In the coming session, the students would study this portion as well. But this year, you just need to go through once so that you get the information about the topic, but need not to prepare for the exam. What is organic farming? It is a system of farming that relies upon the use of organic inputs for cultivation. It means the inputs like animal manure and the compost. These are used as the basic inputs in these, and the chemical fertilizer, insecticides, pesticides are not used in this type of farming. This farming is done by the natural resources only. No chemical is used in the organic farming, and this is also has become a good source of earning for the people in villages, and it gives help to farmers in both the ways, as it gives a good income and it enhances the fertility of the soil because chemical fertilizers are not being used. So when a person regularly use the organic materials in the farm, then in a long period he maintains health of his soil and the production that he is doing, it becomes eco-friendly. Why we opt for the organic farming? It is because it discards the use of non-renewable resources, the synthetic and the petroleum based resources. These are not used in this. Then it is environment friendly. It is environment friendly. It do not harm our environment, and it do not, because the pollution spreading items, the chemical fertilizers are not being used in this kind of agriculture. The animal manure is the only thing that we use. It sustains the soil fertility because no chemical compound is used in this, so it sustains the soil fertility. Healthier and tastier food. The food which is grown by these methods is comparatively healthier than the food grown by the chemical use of chemicals, and this is tastier as well because the real taste comes from these kind of agriculture only. Inexpensive technology for the small and marginal farmers. Small marginal farmers, they can do it in an easy way because they need not to invest much on HYV seed, fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, good means of irrigation. So this is good for the small and the marginal farmers because they can work as much they want, and they need not to invest much because the animal manure can be taken care from they can get from anywhere, and that is much easy for them to work with that. So this is all in this chapter. In the next video when we meet, we will start the new chapter in this book. Thank you.